American Dream English. I'm here with
Sarah.
Sarah. Sarah, where are you from?
I'm from Colombia.
You're from Colombia? You're not from Colombia. Stop lying. Where are you from?
I'm from Philly.
You're from Philly?
Go Eagles.
Go Eagles, Philadelphia. Okay, and I have a question for you.
Okay.
What do you think goes first? Orality or grammar?
Orality.
Why?
It'll be easier to pick up the grammar when you know what you're saying.
I believe so. That's what we teach in American Dream English. That orality goes first and then grammar. A person can learn how to speak English without any grammar.
I agree.
A person can learn how to speak English without even learn how to read and write.
I agree.
But you cannot learn grammar if you don't know how to talk.
Yes. Agreed.
100% American Dream English.